Okay, again, we talk about okay, the direct mapping into cache, direct mapped cache. Okay, the block address modulo blocks in cache. Okay, say for example, if we have 8 entries, okay, 8 entries. Okay, so in this case, we are looking for the modular blocks in cache. If we have 8, it means block address. If it's for example three modulo 8, okay, it means we are in the 3. Okay, so that's how we calculate it. And on for example, just let me show you the example. Hey, valid bit 1 present 0 not present. Okay, a tag. Okay, the tag, the data and I show you before. Okay, كنا حاطين زي حاطط انا 0 0 0 1. Okay, same هون اخذهم ك one block. Okay, they are taken one block. Okay, as one word per block. Okay, so in this case, okay, 8 blocks. Okay, 8 blocks starting from 0 0 to 1 1. Edit direct map. The tag should go in here. And an example in here. Okay, 22, it's 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, the cache block. Okay, نعمل نحن هيدا البارت حسب الفورمولا. Okay, هون في عندنا formula. this formula block address modulo blocks in cache. في عندنا نحن هون. Okay, 8 إذا بنعمل الموديل بيطلع لنا هيدا ال 3. فبنروح لهون. Okay, التاج هو الريست. Okay, يعني كأنه هون نحن عم ناخذ هيدا هو اللاين. Okay, اللاين index. Okay, line index or the block address. 10 okay is the tag. Okay, نحطها هون. هلا هون whatever هون we take it as a block. Okay, the memory, so whatever the data in here. هلا بنحطها نحن بالهيدا بالlight color. Okay, light gray in here. Okay, it means okay it doesn't exist. يعني هي ما كانت موجودة وجبناها. alright. هلا هون إذا بنطلع هون 26 same thing. نعمل المودولو ناخذ 3 bits اللي هون 0 1 0. we look for 0 1 0 at the index. Okay, 0 1 0. Okay, the tag 11. Okay, now we are working on how many bits? 5 bits. Okay, all right. The memory. Okay, bring it from the memory. Okay, I put it in here. لو نحطها بالدارك هون بالدارك black. Okay, it means it's already exists. Okay, هلا نحن هون 10 دخلناها صارت already exists. Okay, هلا عندنا صارت these two already exists. Okay, لما بنقول هون okay 0 0 heat 0 1 1. okay خلينا نكمل. اوكي لما بنقول نحن هيت او ميس. okay means the data couldn't find the data in cache. okay, the data couldn't find hit بنلاقيها. هلا نحن to calculate the time to access. okay, ندخل فيها البينالتي الميس البينالتي. هلا بنشوفها. هذا الاكزامبل اللي اعطيتكم اياه انا how we divided. okay هون اخذين how many bits 32 bits. okay, with the offsets. okay, and the index and the tag. all right. خليني نروح على هون example. كان 64 blocks 16 bytes per block. To what block number does address 1000 اوكي does address 1200 نقسمها على ال 16 بيطلع عندي 75. اوكي 75 اوكي موضوع 64 بيطلع 11. اوكي هذا البلوك نمبر. اوكي كله هلا من السيم كونتكست. بدي اروح بس على هلا الفورمولاز I'll try and later on بعمل selection ل few slides okay with the formulas on them مثل هون مثلا average access time is a hit time plus miss rate times miss penalty. Okay, this is how we calculate it. بيكونوا given. All right, then we find them. Associative cache example. Okay, as I said, associative goes into the tags immediately. Search into the tags. All right, not the line number. Okay. Set associative. Okay, of 8 entries. It's like this. All right. Two ways. Okay, two-way set associative. As I said, if 8 entries, it means we have 4 sets. Okay, 4 sets. Okay, set 1 tag data يعني هون حاطينهم in row. اوكي انا كنت حاطط لكم اياهم بهالشكل هيك 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 each 2 1 0 0 okay 0 1 1 0 1 1 اوكي 2 blocks حاططهم انا in column. alright هون حاطينهم هيدا 1 هيدا 2 1 2 1 2 and set each set has 2 entries. اوكي ليش نحن شو قلنا في عندي 8 entries. اوكي 8 entries two way it means 2 entries per set divided by 2 equal 4 sets. okay 4 sets 1 2 3 okay 1 2 3 4 بلش من الزيرو. each one has okay 2 entries. هلا هون عم نحكي 4 way set associative 8 divided by 4 it means we have 2 sets 0 and 1. okay 0 and 1. Each set has 4 entries 1 2 3 4. okay 8 way it mean 8 over 8 it means 1. okay another example. okay I want to go to a set associative. okay replacement. okay حكيت عنه replacement policy. Least recently used. okay عرفنا least recently used it has to use time tag مثل ما شفنا. okay هي okay expensive. الراندوم هي التشيبر. هي cheaper. okay راندوم لأن ما في عندي time tag. هلا هون حكينا عن شو بس least. okay least recently used و random هو في first in first out كمان وفي عندنا كمان least frequently used. okay بقى هلا انتم responsible. هلا انتم هون اللي المفروض تعرفون ك definition. alright اوكي بدي اروح على مثلا على الفيرتشوال Hamming code coding decoding. okay virtual machines. okay virtual machine monitor on instruction set support virtual memory. انا حكيت عن التي ال بي. اوكي تي ال بي Okay, TLB, as I said, is an intermediate layer between the physical virtual address and the physical, okay, address. The virtual address مثل ما قلنا okay في عندي أنا physical address هو the RAM, okay, is fixed. Okay, so if I want, as I, if it's already full and I want to run some programs, so in this case, okay, we move some programs into the disk, okay, and giving them a virtual, okay, address. Okay, it means to bring it back to physical address, there's some approach should be there. Okay, we have what we call, okay, when I move a program from the physical address, okay, there's a page, okay, moved immediately, okay, into the disk as a virtual address. I'm sure physical address, the page offset, okay, page offset بتيجي هي ذاتها ما شفنا, okay, and بس virtual, okay, هي بناخدها as a tag and look into, okay, the memory for the physical address and bring it back. هلا يا بنلاقيها, okay, if we didn't find it in the cache, okay, in this case, okay, we have to go into, okay, if we didn't find it in later on in the TLB, we have to go to the cache, okay, and find it. شو عم بقصد فيها؟ بقصد فيها TLB. alright, هي هيدي الميثود اللي I just spoke about it before. The TLB, as I said, is an intermediate, okay, intermediate layer, okay, that convert virtual, okay, to physical, okay, physical address. Okay, يعني أنا أعطيتكم الشيب تاعها before. TLB miss, what does it mean TLB miss? Okay, يعني TLB miss لما بنروح نحن بنلاقي empty بنروح على الميموري to find the address and we couldn't find it. Okay, بنسميها احنا miss. Okay, ال PTE بنقصد فيها, okay, إذا بالبيبرز اللي بعت لكم إياهم النوتس آخر صفحة, ال PTE هي ال page table entry, okay. اوكي, لما نكون نحن في عندي انا ال virtual address and the TLB, okay, physical address في عندنا خلينا نحط على السايد الميموري. Okay, so what we have to do is to get the tag from here, go into the memory, look at the position, okay, then bring it back to here, then put it in the physical address. Okay, لو بصير في عندنا ميس معناتها the address we couldn't find it. Okay, hit معناتها we found it. Okay, نرجع نحكي more explanation, okay, على اللي حكيته أنا قبل. All right, so this is in general the explanation, okay, for what I talked about them before, okay, in the previous, okay, in the previous recording اللي هو session before. Okay, هلا أنا what I've done also for you, I will select some slides, okay, from chapter 5, okay, in addition to the associative mapping, okay, direct mapping, okay, set, okay, associative set mapping, and the TLB. Okay, I will add, okay, some more slides with there's some formulas so you can, okay, some formulas so you can work on it. Okay.
دكتور سؤال، يعني هول الستاف كل شيء بالميتنج اللي حتبعتهم انه is it enough for chapter 5 او لا we have to do all the slides؟
لا, انا عملت انا هون explanation للميموريز, اوكي, للفيرتشوال ميموري شو هي, الفيزيكال ميموري شو هي, اوكي, الاسوشيتيف مابينج, دايركت مابينج, set associative mapping TLB. هلا in addition مثل ما شفنا في عندي مثلا أنا for example أجيك أعطيك example من هي مثلا Hamming code أنت also I gave you some exercises on them before. I'll give you an example what I mean. في عندي أنا هون في example في calculation شوف إذا قطع أو قطع يمكن I don't know. مثلا في عندي مثلا هون في عندك formulas يعني you have to get this formula. Okay, average memory access time is the heat time, miss write time, substantive. You have to get this. And what I'm saying for you, and I will select few slides for you, okay, in separate file, and send it also for you, where where you can find the formulas immediately. Okay, but I suggest, and you have to do, even even there's I explain the memories, okay, how to handle the addresses and all this between the CPU and the cache. Okay, also you have to read. Okay, you have to read. هلا you understand the main idea how it works. Okay, but you have to read. Okay, مش إنه نحفظهم. Okay, نحفظ بس هيك إنه كتار نحفظ. لا، أنت when you read you understand better the main concept. Okay, وانا as I said محل ما في formulas هلا هعمل selection and then send it for you also. Okay, when I stay with you till Wednesday. If you have anything else you want to understand or whatever, you couldn't get it properly, we communicate on WhatsApp. Okay, I have no problem. Okay.
بعد one question للشابتر 4 وقت عنا هول مثل ال diagrams يعني
Controls. Okay, you
لازم
have
نحن
to
نعرف
get
نرسمهم.
no, but you have only to explain how to start from a program counter. Okay,
اوكي
how
اوكي
to go to the right into memory load. Okay, into the CPU registers, store into the memory, how it works, mechanism of working. كيف نعمل increment للprogram counter, in how many ways. Okay, كيف نعمل لما بنكون عم نعمل احنا jump. Okay, how to increment also كمان the program counter. in general أنا أعطي idea عن الإكزامبل اللي أخذناه عن الفاتش decode execute. in addition في عنا صار بالdiagrams في عنا الميموري how to write into memory and read from memory. Okay.
اوكي thank you.
Doctor, can you set some exercises to practice?
For what?
For chapter 4, 5, and 6.
Okay, I'll try to say that. Yeah. And first of
Okay,
all,
thank you.
I'll select a few slides for you where the formulas are there. Okay, then I will try to send you like an exercise paper.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Any more questions? Okay, so I'll stop here. Okay, as I said, for you, okay, I will send you next, probably today or tomorrow, some more slides.